Hey, what is good everyone, it's Cinou here and welcome back. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make a gaming themed outro. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to go ahead and download this app, which is KineMaster. If you guys don't have it, the link will be down in the description below. It's a free app, you can get it from the description below. Okay, so once you guys download it, all you have to do is to go ahead and also download a gaming outro pack that I will leave in description below. It's a folder that have a bunch of images that you're gonna be needing today. So all you have to do is to first thing go ahead and import this background right over here, which you will find on the gaming outro pack that you can download from description below. So go ahead and import it, and first thing that you have to do is to go ahead and hit on this cropping option right here. So as you can see, now we have two screens right over here. This is the first screen, which you have to press on it and then just drag the background to the left right over here. And once you guys done that, go ahead and press on the lower screen, which is right over here. This is the second screen, press on it and then just drag this background to the right, just like this. Now, as you can see, if you play the video, you will see that the background is moving from the left to the right, which is a cool animation. Alright, now press on the layers and you should see those options right over here. Press on media and then go back to the gaming outro pack that you can find in the description below, and then just import this ground right over here. What you have to do is to go ahead and just line up the left side of the ground with the left side of the screen, just like this. Okay, so once you're done that, go ahead to the end of the video right over here, and then what you have to do is to go ahead and press on this key button, which is going to allow us to animate this ground. So go ahead and press on this key button and you should see this. So go ahead and press on this plus button right over here and then line up the right side of the ground with the right side of the screen, just like this. Okay, now if you play the video, as you can see, now the ground is moving just like the background. So as you can see, this gave us a really cool effect. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, the actual project is actually too short for the outro. The outro should be 20 seconds long. So go ahead and drag the ground right over here and the background to 20 seconds and everything should be fine. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, now we still have the exact same animations, and yeah, this actually looks pretty good. Okay, now go back to the outro pack that I sent you, and then this time import this mountains background and stretch the layers so it matches the timing of the project. Now go ahead and make the mountains bigger, because this is how the mountains should look like in reality. And now we have to go ahead and press on those three buttons right over here in the bottom right corner, and then once you have this list, go ahead and press on send to back. So now the backgrounds, the mountains, excuse me, is down below the ground, which is pretty realistic if you ask me. Now I'll go ahead and do the exact same thing just like we did with the ground. So let's go ahead and create an animation and just line up the right side of the mountains with the right side of the screen. Okay, now if you go back and play the video, as you can see right over here, every single layer is moving in different speed. So this gave us a really cool parallax effect, which to be honest, it looks really amazing. Alright, so now go back to the outro pack and import this end screen holder. So we need an end screen in outro, of course. So then all you have to do is to go ahead and just put it whatever you want on the screen and give it an end animation. Also make sure that it matches the timing of the project. So I think pop is a little bit, outdated, so I'm going to use something like scale up. So I'm also going to make it fast. I'm sorry, this is actually the wrong animation, so I'm going to just go to scale up, which is right over here. So if you play the video back, as you can see, now we have a really cool animation for the end screen holder, which to be honest, it looks really cool. Okay guys, so as you can see right over here, I have this text which says subscribe. I use the font called Super Mario Bros. The font, you can actually find it in the outro pack too. You can just write whatever you want. Instead of subscribe, you can write, I don't know, just like the video or whatever. So the font will be down in description below. And as you can see, I'm creating a really simple animation right over here. And if we play the video, as you can see, now we have this really smooth parallax effect. Everything is moving in different speed, and I think this gave it a really nice look. So the outro actually now looks pretty dope. Alright, so that was how to create a gaming outro pack, a classic gaming outro pack on Android. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you guys did, then be sure to go ahead and like this video down below, and also subscribe if you didn't join me already. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.